Hi everyone, you should wake up to watch your dreams. With this motivational lines, today I am going to start my chapter, that is chapter number 11, Force and Pressure. What is the meaning of the force? Force, it means when an object exert any type of the pressure, either the force, it means the push, either the pull, it is called the force. So children, here I am going to give you the few example of the force. What is the force? Children, first various type of the forces in this chapter we are going to see. First we are going to see the once we applied an object any type of force, then what will happen? When suppose this is the object, it is a bangle, once I applied on it a force, so it is start to moving, and once I applied it on a force, so it can stop. It means force, it can start the moving the things, it can change the direction. Children, how to change the direction? I am going to give you the further example. Suppose it is a surface and here is the any type of the board like this, and I applying here is the force on it. So what happened, children? Once I apply the force on this box, so it start to move. It means once we apply the force, so force can change the direction. Once I take, this is the simple scale, once I apply on the force on it, so its shape will change. So force can change the shape, force can change the directions, force can increase the speed, force can decrease the speed. Suppose this is the water bottle, I applied the force one direction, then I applied the force on another direction. Suppose it is the same direction, then it is the force F1, then force it is the F2. So it is the same direction, it means it will be added. Suppose I put the force here and the opposite side I applied the force, that is F2 minus F1. One force reduce, it means the subtract from the another force. So force, we see various type of the example, that is the force. Now further I want to give the one more question, and before that I give the one example. Suppose any well, and what we do, and when we do take out the water from a well with the help of the bucket, either any object, then what we do, children? There is the suppose the bucket, then what we do? It will, there is the simple the use the pull. It means here we also the apply the muscular force, and once we pull it, so here we applied the force also. What we do to open the door? Once we open the door, to use the push, either maybe the pull. So now further various type of the forces we have, such as the contact force, once the physical touch, so that is the physical force, such as any notebook. So once we write with the help of the pen, that is the contact force. What is the non-contact force? Non-contact force, it means the, here is the, can you watch now? This is the picture of the magnet. It is the S side and it is the N side. N side, it means the north pole. S side, it is means the south pole. So it is non-contact force. Here is the no contact. But while without using the any contact, it can come the near. Why? Because it is the magnet. So here we had seen the various type of the forces. Now further I am going to show you the moving force. How moving? Suppose this is the book, I slant and I leave this bottle here. So what will happen? It is go down. Why, children, it is go down? Here is the force. Once I apply, it can change the direction of any object. Now further we see in every all universe, every object exert pressure and the force on the all object. It is universal true and it is called the gravitational law also. Now, so today we are going to see the various type of the forces and the pressure in this chapter. So, let's see, moving on students. First we are going to see the few glossary of this chapter. First, force. What is a force? A push or a pull. It is called a force. Now further we see the muscular force. Muscular force, most of the using by the animal. Muscular force, when the force exert on the muscles, that is the muscular force. Most of you children like the cricket, that time also the players use the muscular force to push either the pull. So, muscular force, the force resulting due to the action of the muscles is known as the muscular force. Now, contact force, when it is in contact with an object, it is also called the contact force. It means here is the need to any surface. It is the contact force. It means here is the surface and here is the any type of object. Whence I exert on it any type of the force, so whence it is touched. So it is the contact force. Now further we have seen various things. Now further we have today's next topic. What we have today's content? Let's see further. Hi again. So today we are going to dealing with the chapter force and the pressure. Children, can you watch in this picture? Here is the few student, they are pulling, and here is the same opposite direction. They are the pulling a rope, that is pulling here and there also. So here also I have the one example. I have here is the two pens with a rubber band. Once I start to pull each other, what will happen? So this type of various question today I brought for you today's chapter. So let's see. So children, first we see what is a force. Force, a force is a push or pull and need to start an object moving or more accurately to make things change their motion. It means they change their motion. It may change their direction. Any type of the direction. When a force is applied to an object, the following can happen. What happen? Once we applied the force, either when we exert a force on any object, then we will see the various type of changes. So what is that changes? A stationary object moves. When a stationary object, what do you mean a stationary object? Suppose it is a stationary object, it means here is the no motion, it is remain in the rest condition. But once I applied on it a force, so it can start to move. So it is the example of the movement. So a stationary object can move. The speed of object increase, we can increase the speed of any type of the object. In object changes direction, it can change any type of the direction. Here is the given in this, the one girl, that there is the pulling a thread to the dog. So it is the changing the direction. A moving object stop moving, yes, we can make it to keep in the rest condition also. Now further, a force push or a pull. What is the push? Either the pull. Here is the make all, we can just in case various type of cases. Production approximately, various things, large things are here. Heavy and high, there is the inventories and there is the waste management by the person, that there is a carry by a trolley. So make all, we can just in case push either the pull. So make what's need when we need it. What we do, sometime we push, sometime same thing but we pull. So this is the push versus pulls. Here is the one more example. It is the goalkeeper during the football match, and second is the saving the goal. What he doing? He is saving the goal. In the B, there is a hockey player. Also there is it is the contact force also called, and muscular force also called. C, there is a fielder stopping a ball. It means the changing the direction, and contact force also here is the shown in this picture. So it is all is called the push or pull, and I told in the beginning all the push or the pull, this is called the force. And today we are going to dealing a special chapter of the physics, that is the push and the pull. It means the force and the pressure. And children, it is very important chapter because it is we use in our real life applications. That is why it is very important. So kindly watch it properly. And forces are due to an interaction. Sometimes we do the various type of the interactions. So first here is the scene. A person, he is the pulling. Sometimes it is the pushing a car. In the second, there is the two girls. They are the pushing, they are the pulling. Here is the again there is the one person, he is the drawing a cow. It is maybe the pulling. So it is the various type of the example, and here is the exerted the force. This is the example. It is the specification of this example. Force are due to an interaction. Now further we are going to see the forces. Forces have the various types. Contact force, non-contact force. Contact force, muscular force, friction, non-contact force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, and the gravitational force. It is the example of the forces and various types of the forces that we are going to see in the depth in the chapter further slides. First we are going to see the force can change the state of the motion. Yeah, of course children, a force can change the state of the any type of the object motion. So what? Its motion, the speed of object can increase if it is force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of the motion, then it result in a decrease in the speed of the object. Sometimes it is reduced, sometimes it is increased, and thus a force may bring a change in the state of motion of an object. So it is the given here is the example. To move a tire faster, it has to be pushed repeatedly. It means this process, this cycle is go again and again. Now further we are going to see the exploring force, how we can explore. Exploring force, it means the gravity, and gravity, it is a universal truth. All the object exert a pressure on all the another object. It is called the gravitational force, as I told in the beginning of this video. So what is gravity? In hands-on acting in which visitors discover that it's easy to pour water out of a regular sized cup once we drink the tea, either the coffee, and but not out of the mentoring cup. And they learn that the size can affect the way and material like water behave. Sometimes their behavior change. So here is the again given few example of the contact force, and there is the here is the shown the two things. Maybe there is the pushing in the same direction. It means the first person, if one work is doing, second person, if two work is doing, it is the F1 and the F2. It is added here. Here is the F1 and F2. So F2 minus F1. Here is the we count the opposite direction work. It means the F2 minus F1. We subtract one work from the another work. Here we add in this picture both the work F1 plus F2. In the another picture, the rope may not more if the two teams pull at it with a equal force. Both are the teams. Suppose pull the string, either the rope, at the same force, same pressure, so not we will get any type of the result. Now further we see the force can change the shape of an object. When a force act on an object, the object may change the shape, and this bending, either the stretching or compressing or a combination of all three things, various type of things. Combination, it means the unine, shape change, pull, an object ends apart. Example, when a rubber band is stretched. Suppose we take a rubber band and we stretch this rubber band, then this is the example of this. Or there is the another example, here is the shown the flat when is the pressed. Here is the example we can take of the sponge also. And further it can become, there is the denied when it is the heat, any type of the heat. So it's a change the shape, direction, there is the magnitude also, the change of the any object. So it was the force can change the shape of any type of the object. Now further we see the different type of the kind of the force, that is the contact force types. It have the various types, especially first we talk about the contact force. Contact force, it means the physical touch, that is the contact force. Once we write in our notebook with the help of the pen, it is the example of the contact force. And this force, source of the force is a push, either the pull, and that results from direction contact between the surface of the two or more object. It may have the two object, either the more than the two object related to the force, and that repel or attract. It may both are the attract, either the repel. In this condition, molecule and are the atoms. It may the two molecules, it may the two atoms. They may be the repel, either the they may be the attract, either the repel. This is the example of the contact forces. Now further we see the field forces. What do you mean by the field forces? Sources of the forces applies influence over a distance. Here is the specification, how the distance and not the direct contact, it is called the field force. So here we see the types of the forces. Now further we see the non-contact force. Non-contact force, it means the no physical touch, that is the non-contact force. Example is the magnet. Two piece of the magnet, whence that is the opposite sides. Suppose one have the north pole, another have the south pole, but they never be, there is the same, then attract, in the opposite, then attract, and the same, it means they will be the repel, and it is called the non-contact force. A force that can be applied without any contact between the two bodies is called the non-contact force. Example is the magnetic force, gravitational force also. What is the gravitational force? Whence any things we leave from the high side and we leave it, so what will happen? It goes the downside towards the earth. It is also the gravitational force. Why children? Because every object exert the force on the another object. Now further we see the electrostatic force. Electrostatic force, the branch of the physics which deals with the static charges, field and the potential, and due to these charges is called the electrostatic force. Example of electrostatic force, when we plastic comb and which has been rubbed by our hair and near pieces of paper, they get stuck to the comb, they come near to the comb. It is the example of the electrostatic. Now we see the gravitational force. Newton's theory of gravitational force. What is the theory? So every particle of matter in the universe attracts every other particle with a force that is directly proportional to the product of the masses of the particles and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It is called the gravitational force. Now further we see the different type of forces in it. So further we see the pressure. Is today's chapter's name is the force in the pressure. So we are going to see the pressure. What is the definition of the pressure? The pressure of a gas is best defined as the forces exerted by the gas on the wall of the container, any type of the container. Here is the defined P. It means force oblique area. The SI unit of pressure is the Pascal and 1 Pa equal to N upon M2. It is kg meter per second square upon the meter square. It is the definition of the pressure. Now further we talk about the pressure exerted by the liquids and gas. Yes children, pressure also the exerted by the liquid and the gas, both the situation. So here is the exert the pressure by the water at the bottom of the container depend on the height of its column. It is depend on the column's height. Second, a liquid exert pressure on the wall of the container. It is showing here. Next, hole in the water bottle. Jet of the water, hole in the water. Now further we see the atmospheric pressure. What is the meaning of the atmospheric pressure? As we know the atmosphere it is made various type of the gases it is found. So here we talked about the atmospheric pressure. It is defined as the force per unit area exerted against a surface by the weight of the air column above the surface. Here is the shown in this picture. It is the unit area. It is the top of the atmosphere and weight of the air in the column applies pressure to the point X. It is the X and it is the surface. This all area is called the surface. So the pressure at point X increase in the weight of the air above it increases. In the pressure at point X decrease if the weight of the air above it decreases. So once X is increased, so the things are increased and X is decreased, so things are decreased. So we meet next. Till that, take care of yourself and keep watching. Bye.